Hello everyone, I just checking the last sound settings and video settings as well. Who is online right now? Oh, looks like Zapak is already flashing. That's nice. Okay, the resolution seems enough, I think. 720 pixel and 60 frame per second. Okay, everything seems fine right now. Checking the last sound settings based on the killed cow. Yeah, Zapak is online right now also. That's nice. Okay, and let's create a private clash, which is the probably we start from tonight with the reverse mode. Let's just copy the link and paste it to chat. So let's see if we can have any joiners. Cyrus, welcome. Sure, I pasted the chat again link. We are only 2 people right now, I think, in the first one. Okay, so these are the how many? Three. With 8. No, it's 9, I think. Yeah, it's 9. Okay then. Try to make a bigger one. Oh, that's new. These are the uppers and lowers. There is 2. Is 0, a less than, and a plus plus. I should separate the white space here. Okay, I just copied this for loop as a second time also. So, and this separate one should be like that. So this one should be yeah, that's slash, and this should be plus sign. Okay, let's play all test cases. Oops, this should be also this character. Yeah, that's perfect. Patient, welcome. That's nice. So I can submit my solution. Muzlu Chorba, you can check the gigs for gigs. I mean, as a book, I can suggest you to Algorithms. This is the 4th edition. You can find online, honestly. I mean, lead code has a good algorithm section part. Okay, it's quite fun. Difficult, I think that was easy, so an ideal. I would open the broadcast around 8 o'clock, but yeah, I have other things to do. That's why I have to open it late. Sorry about that. Looks like patient doesn't like this kind of questions. Oops, Cyrus has also submitted. Okay, let's back to home and let's start a private clash, and let's select all the test cases here. I just copied the link and pasted it to chat, so you can still join with that link if you want. I mean, I don't know why the CodinGame live section doesn't show us as a streamer still. That's weird. Oh, yep, that's, they start the... Yes, right now I can see myself. Okay, we are now tier 3 people right now. Okay. Dragomir Yordanov, welcome. Alice above has a secret code where each letter swaps symmetrically A and Z. His other characters will not be changed. Help Bob decrypt the Alice message. Bob would like to know if the message is secure or not. A message is considered as secure if at least 50% of the characters in the message are modified. Okay. There's only letters are which will change. Okay then. Are this. But I have to keep the inputs as well to calculate the secure or insecure count. Okay, but there is a input, something like that. So input plus equal message and list that result that add message. So for each var I in results line in results for each var character in line if char is letter C. So that means I have to create. Then if also the right is upper, 25, I think. Yeah. Yeah, minus a plus 25. No, no, not 25. That's minus. Marko Dev, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. So what is the right result here? Uğur selamlar. Sure, I will paste the link to the chat. You can still join with that one as well. Let me check the ASCII table again. For A 55, for Z 90. And this one returns the alphabet order. So this one should subtract 26 and find the opposite one. And plus 65. I think this should be the same as for the lower ones as well. It's not 65, it's 97 and 96. I should delete this one. Let me try this one as well. It says nothing. Why? Oh, it says, oh, it returns the right string as the first one. Okay, then after all the iterations end, I should just input console dot write line if input count is the stake predicate? Yes, I think it stakes count. Yeah, predicate, yeah. And is the count of is bigger or smaller? Less, at least 50%. Yeah. Is that true? So that means it's secure. Is not, and insecure. Let's play all test cases. Oops. And let me try this one. Aha, I should write every time in here as a new line, I think. Every for each I should write new right line. So let's try this one. Oops, I failed again. Char is letter count is because I should write here not secure. Is not, oh. Okay, then let's count this one. Let me play all test cases. Oops. Why I failed with 2 test cases? I don't know what. Oh, is there a special test cases lot with A with a head, for example, like this one? Maybe that's not a letter. I don't know. I mean, there is something between this. Is letter method maybe? There's something wrong. Okay, I don't know. Last 20 seconds, so I can submit it. As for X solve it 100%. Difficulty perfect, statements and test case relevancy is nice. Okay, the clash is complete. Let's check Asphyrex. He only writes all the alphabets in the all alphabet characters. And he created all le as all the input strings. Make trans, I think that's the make transpose, something like that. Probably make transpose for all the music is too much. I think I little bit lowered it. Yep, that's nice. I mean, okay, let's back to home and let's start a new private clash, and let's start a new one. I just copied the link and passed it to chat, so you can still join with that link if you want. Asparix, thanks for follow. Chronix, thanks for follow, welcome to stream. Okay, we are now 6 people. You are given a number n, a list of n numbers, and an instruction: print the number described by the instruction. Example instructions: print the smallest number, print the largest even number, print the third odd number, print the 14th number. When ordinal is specified, do not start the numbers. Example for the list: fourth number is 2, not 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The third odd number is 1, not 5. Part 1 is largest, smallest, and ordinal. Okay. Print the smallest, largest, third odd, 14th number. Number, even number, odd number. Okay. Print the smallest number. Hmm. You don't want. Also, there is an instruction. When ordinarily specified, do not sort the numbers. Okay. So if let's call this E, not any char is digits. It doesn't have any digits. But probably it wouldn't. By the way, looks like the comment lines count as the characters as well. Right, not in all this in. What? Oops. That calls ins. Because in is a keyword. Okay, then char is a digit. So there is if contains odds. There are a lot of else if contain. No, I should only filter maybe. Yeah, I mean, I don't need too much. That means it is that's where not first list. I should do the same thing as a even also. Whoa, Mitch's Workshop rating with 42 viewers. Oh my goodness, thank you so much, man. I really appreciate that. Welcome all. Zappa, welcome. Samuel Lives, thanks for the follow. Oh my goodness. Mitch, thanks for the follow. Thanks for the raid, man. I really appreciate that. Welcome all. My name is Soner Gönül and I'm a software developer from Turkey. In my streams, I usually stream with CodinGame. If you don't know already. I mean, this is the Clash of Codes. If you are not familiar, you can easily register CodinGame. It probably take only 30 seconds. You can register with Facebook or your Gmail account as well. Sean Phenomenon, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Yeah, I mean, Mitch's Workshop, thank you so much, man. I really appreciate that. Vito Katz Halilon, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. So I filtered with all of them. So what should I write here? I filtered odds, I filtered evens, and the ordinals specified do not sort the numbers. Okay, I will not sort it. Mitch's Workshop, I mean, I really appreciate, man. Thanks for the raid again. It means a lot to me, honestly. I mean, wow, this is the 53 viewers. I mean, this is probably my record so far. I never had such a lot of viewers. Algebra 97, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. I mean 53 viewers. Wow, that's nice. So what I do also here? So there is a digit here. I need to find that digit. Part it is instruction var char digit. So there is probably and 0 minus with, I will say 0. Oops. Okay, let's do array or to. Let's take the first character and through subtract with 0. So I will get that exact once. So if after the this filtering process, so I need to write that else The third odd number is 1, so it is d minus 1 index. So after that, if there isn't any digits, smallest, largest, oops, even there is a even number, I should copy here and paste there, and let that sort. Let me sort then. Console.writeLine. Delete this one. And if after sorting, what is if instruction contains smallest, that means I have to take the first L dot first. If not, that means we'll take the last one, L dot last. So let's play all test cases. Oops, print the 101st number. Really? Expected 33, but found 54. Oh, I should write here, there's an if contains smallest or the largest one, so I have to filter after it. Oh, that's nice. But that's okay, I mean, I don't have any time, but I can submit it, so I can only fail with the one test cases. Thank you so much, by the way. Again, I mean, Mitch's workshop, thank you so much. Godlike, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream, guys. If you don't know CodinGame, you can easily register with, I mean, probably takes 30 seconds. This is the type of question solving which is called in CodinGame as a clash of codes. That means I created something like a room, for example. I created something, a private room. So after created it, I pasted that room links to the chat, and you can join with that link to the room, and all of them try to solve the same problem, which is all of them try to solve the same problem, and we have 15 minutes to solve. And there are, as you can see, there are a lot of test cases. So when you write a code, that means your code should pass all the test cases as much as possible. So as far X has also solved, I probably fixed the one test cases. Okay, let's create a back to home then. Let's start a private clash and let's start a new one. So I just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join with that link. Oh, thank you, Godlike, thank you so much. That's very nice of you. Okay, that's nice. Daifi, welcome. PC out, welcome. Enders, welcome. Enders 14. Riot Furkan, subscribe with Prime sub. Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Welcome to stream. It's so nice to subscribing your. Thank you so much. And as you can see, there is a how many subs we need more to reach the goal. I think it is yeah, we need 2 subs in next 40 hours. Okay, that seems easy, I think. It's easy to implement at least. Okay. Or k is 0, k is less than and k plus plus, and after every iteration I should console that right line here and also that right, oops, k mod 0. So and to 0, then I will write 0, otherwise I will write. I think that should pass all test cases. Algebra, what is the test? This is the reverse mode, so you only given by inputs and outputs, and you have to find a correlation between outputs and inputs. So for to cover all the test cases, you have to write a proper code. Oops. For example, in this question, I can understand that for odd numbers starting with 1 and for even numbers starting with 0, so I have to reverse all the arrays, all the bits, all the characters as the next one. So what am I doing wrong here? What did I miss? Var char is and mod 2. So I should write calculate. Salvex, hello. Hi, could someone repost the link of the challenge I just arrived? Sure, let me repost the link. Yes, I need to find... Yeah. I just pasted it to chat. You can still join with that link if you want. So far, 3 test case should be 101010. When it is scrapped, so I can really see the test cases. Sorry if I am interrupting. Yeah, exactly. What should be my level to join and solve? I think Furkan, you have to know at least some kind of, for example, defining variable, how to create functions, how to implement some mathematical expressions. Also, I mean, most of the questions doesn't have to be needed for experience level, but there is at least you have to know some basics and probably more. I mean, you can still join the next one or the current one and try at least. So if you are familiar with any programming language, for example, as you can see here, CodinGame supports a lot of programming languages, so you can choose whatever fits you want. Oops. What did I wrong here again? 0 1 0 1. Oh. Oh, but this don't work. Oh my goodness. So wait a second, I should increase here only for the if it is even, yeah. And not and yes. Oof. I probably do some unnecessary calculations there, but I've got an idea, but I don't know if it is right. 101 XOR 11 should give 1 0 0 for you 0 1 zeros, give the back. So for 2 in the case 0 1 XOR 1 1 and 1 0 XOR 1 1. Yeah, I will try to join in the next weeks. I have been studying C for 4 weeks. I mean, Furkan, if you want, why not? You can still try to solve at least. But if you don't know, I mean, maybe you have to do a little bit more studying or the basics of C, and you can still come here and practice. I mean, it will be real. I think it will be great for you to such a level. So you can start with C, and at least you have to do some, for example, for loops or learning loops and learning functions, learning how to manipulate strings. I think it will be very good for you if you regularly join the stream as well. Okay. So if I solve all the indexes plus and operation, binary and with 1. That's nice. Saudex also solved. Arguzar is also solved. Check my solution. I think it's kind of simple. Okay, let's check it. Oh, you have to calculate the index plus j. Oh, that's nice. Mode 2. Yeah, I mean, that's nice. Yeah, that's also. Furkan, by the way, I will suggest you Coursera C programming introduction specializations. I mean, probably it's for the beginner response as well. For example, if someone knows really good C courses, you can still suggest Furkan some C courses or C resources, how to learn C as a level. I think Free Code Camp, Furkan, also Free Code Camp has another course in their YouTube channel. You should check them. Also, I mean, they are really great, create really great courses as well. Okay, search is also solved as 100%. Nowadays, can you post it on Gist or Paste? I can't really see it because my net is crap and video is basically 144 pixel. Okay, let me check. X. So I will copy his code and yeah, he's already written in the chat, by the way. Okay, that's nice. I mean, a lot of people solved this. That's great. So back to home. Let's start a private clash. I mean, I will exclude the shortest one since it's too late. I don't want to read too much. Maybe I unclick the fastest. Only reverse mode a few ones. Let's solve a few ones. No, it's not a spam Arzgzar. Don't worry. Okay, let's start then. I just copy the link and paste it to chat. You can still join with that link if you want. Okay, we are now 6 people. Lofarker, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Okay, we are now 7 people. So no, I shouldn't do that. For character in not that character. So this letter, how to replace it with properly. If the given character are with the current character, that means I don't have to replace anything, so I have to write the current character in the string. So everything changed when the that character in that string, the current character is getting higher or equal. If else, so in here I wish I had a Python like maybe order count, ordinal count of the every character. C# doesn't have such a functionality as far as I know. Else, if the current character is uppercase or lowercase, doesn't matter. Link, sure, I will paste the link. Peace out. So with this lower character, lower, I will calculate char as I should calculate the module here, I think. minus a mod a0 a plus 96. Yeah, I mean, if it is uppercase, I will do it for uppercase. This is not 96, it is 64. Okay, let's play all test cases. Try this one. I should increase them. Aha. Toto, thanks for follow. Welcome to stream. Oops, I failed. Why I failed? Because this one is lowercase and the input has also uppercase letters. So how to act for the H? A, B, C, E, F, G. Okay, let's check other test cases. Yeah, when the input contains lowercase and the other one contains uppercase, my code breaks. So is this... Oh, wait a second. Is this case insensitive? No, I don't think so. Oh, this is the char to upper, not char to lower. Bamatato, this is a CodinGame. I mean, if you are familiar, I don't know if you are familiar or not. It's a programming website, so we are kind of solving clash of code problems, which is a different type of questions in the website. So I create a clash. Clash means you can join with that clash and solve some programming problems in 15 minutes. So everybody who can join the link, they try to solve the programming this programming question in 15 minutes. There is no language barrier here. I mean, there are a lot of programming languages that's supported by CodinGame, so you can still choose which language you are familiar in this drop-down menu, for example. And these are the test cases. For example, this is called reverse mode. Reverse mode, they don't give you any explanation for a question. They only gives you inputs and outputs. And here you have 6 inputs and outputs. So you have to write the proper code that when they give you as an input for this, and you have to generate this as an output. So every clash has 15 minutes time to solve, and you have to see the result here. For example, at the left down, as a result, there's a small window here. Are you familiar with CodinGame, by the way? For example, if you don't have an account, you can easily create one. I mean, it's so easy. It will probably take 30 seconds. You can create with Facebook and or Gmail as well. Oh, you just try to learn how to code. Oh, then I can suggest you a few resources maybe. I really suggest you to Free Code Camp, for example. Their YouTube channel are really nice. There are really free and long video series. I also suggest you Khan Academy, and there's a computer science course there, and also a Code Academy as well. I mean, most of the courses are free. You even in Code Academy there is a course called Learn How to Code. I mean, it seems really nice. They teach you how to do with basics, for example, like declaring a variable and creating a function and using some arithmetic calculations as well. I mean, I will really just suggest these resources. I really don't understand how this F creates H and a C found. Oh, wow, wait a second. Why would I still... Only the lower cases are wrong. What? What the hell is going on here? Where is the mistake? I mean, I don't know, honestly. What am I missing here? What am I missing here? I mean, I don't know, I have no time either. What is the right calculation when the given character is lowercase and the result character is uppercase? Let's check. The IFA also solved 100%. Let's check the other ones. I mean, I clearly missed something, but okay, you have to x, which is always lowercase, char at. Okay, you have to find the order here. If it is a small, the lowercase, so you have to increment with that one as a char. K is smaller than a, while k smaller than 1, char k is okay. So you have to print. Thanos TV, thanks for follow. Welcome to stream. Do you know websites like this but easier than this? I tried to solve some problem, but I couldn't solve anything even in easy mode. Dalhazar, thanks for follow. Welcome to stream. Yeah, I mean, you should check hacker rank also. I mean, Furkan, but looks like you have to study some basics first of all. I mean, I will really suggest Geeks for Geeks, for example. They have really nice resources also. I really like their website, by the way. What are the other resources? As I can suggest before, Code Academy and Khan Academy are really great resources also. Especially Code Academy have a lot of free courses, and of course, you should check the Free Code Camp YouTube channel. Yeah, Code Force is also easy task. Exactly, Code Force is also, you can choose the easy task in there. Okay, so if it's the uppercase, Leifei, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. If C0 bigger than C. Oh, right. Yes. I see my mistake right now. Oh, you're right. Leifei, you're right. Yeah, I mean, you're definitely right. That was my problem. Yeah. Okay, now I see why I did this. That's bad, but it's okay. Okay, as for X also has a 50%. That's nice. So let's back to home and create a start private clash, and let's start a new one. I just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join with that link if you want. Oh, that's great, Furkan. I mean, these websites are really great, and I will suggest you to regularly continue working with them. For example, if you type, okay, let me type my social accounts as well. I have a YouTube channel as well. I mean, if you looking for some web courses, for example, we did some C# course, Go, and learn how to code courses in Turkish. And I also solve lead code questions in my YouTube channel as well. You can check them if you like. Godlike, no, there's some programming learning websites. For example, try to solve this kind of questions, but the easier ones. For example, Code Forces, I mean HackerRank also. For studying the other courses, I mean there is a Code Academy and Khan Academy and Free Code Camp YouTube channel as well. Okay, we are now 7 people. SoundX, I mean, the problem even in Taurus right now is remote, since I'm working from home since middle of February. But you can regularly check their career.net page and their job space. Also check their LinkedIn page as well regularly. You might find a good intern description maybe. Javon City, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Oh, aspirates, I mean, really fast. It's fun, it's difficult, I mean, it's kind of easy, and test case relevance ideal. You have to split on plus and first. Okay, Taipei is also solved, that's nice. That was an kind of easy questions, I think. It's somewhat to do, I mean, you read, you just need to calculate how many plus sign, how many minus sign, and how many multiple sign. I really like this radio, by the way. Such a gives some peaceful music. Salat has also solved as 100%. How many minutes we have? 8 minutes left right now. Pum, 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 pum. Deja vu, hello, let me paste the link. Yep, I found it and paste it to chat. Oops, did I paste the wrong link? No, it's the right one. It didn't show. Oh, it showed here. Okay. I mean, you can probably solve in 6 minutes, since I solved it in 2 minutes, and you can easily solve this in 6 minutes left. Super duper is also solved as 100%. That's nice. How long you coding? I mean, as a work experience, I have almost 8.5 years as a work experience, and before that I have a college degree. I don't like to call myself as a senior, but I mean, I don't know. I don't like these kind of titles at this senior, mid-level, and junior. That's why I don't like to call myself as a senior developer. Some people say, okay, this is based off year count, but I mean, I don't know. It's not important for me to call myself as a senior developer or mid-level developer. I don't know. Do you do side projects? Not right now. I actually I've completely focused on right now on Twitch streaming and creating my YouTube channel as well. If you type !social, you can reach my Twitter and YouTube accounts as well. I mean, you can follow them if you want. I solve some lead code problems on my YouTube channel and some creating some. I also export these CodinGame streams. CodinGame streams also to my YouTube channel. So I create some career videos on about. They are Turkish, by the way. I also solved lead code questions on Turkish. Oh, thank you, Godlight, thank you so much. But yeah, I mean, I don't think language is a barrier for solving lead code or learning as a lead code questions, because since you understand the code itself, it's okay to understand the lead code question or the answer also. I mean, yes, my explanation will be in Turkish, but you probably will understand even from the code. So how can I solve this lead code question? Okay, algebra and deja vu also solved. Solved X, only one left. It's 1 minute left right now. Regards from Portugal. Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate that. Oops, I accidentally click. Okay, it's quite fine. I like this question. It's difficult. No, it's not difficult. It's perfect. Let's get really and see. Actually, it's exciting. I mean, I can submit it. It's like an interview which I never had. Okay, clash is ending. Let's check. Maybe Sadex, maybe left. Maybe he doesn't even clashing right now. Why it's still at this clashing? I mean, it's clash ending. Oh, let clash. Maybe we need to find the clash complete. My code is crap. I am sure I could solve it better if I wasn't solving here. Oh, your CodinGame question accepted. Oh, that's nice, Tejuva. That's nice. Okay, Sadex looks like he already left. Okay, let's create it back to home and let's create a reverse one. So I just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join with that link if you want. Are you going to comment everyone's code? No, I mean, I don't look everyone's. I can only check the top ones probably. But if someone write in the chat and can you check my code, where am I doing wrong, says like that, I try to check his code, and if I understand the problem, so I can explain as well. Or if someone can understand from the chat as well, they write in the chat, so win-win. Everybody can see the problem and how to fix this. Oh, you're a super duper. Okay, that's nice. Okay, we are now 6 people. Hmm. No one psycho. Thanks for follow. Welcome to stream. So I should write second here, and second one also. And first multiple, second. So let's play all test cases. Oops, I failed the last one. Really? I find 39. Link please, sure, let me copy the link and paste it to chat. So what's why failed for the last one? Ellen Huskydev, thanks for follow, welcome to stream. Oh, it is because I write here as a second one. Yeah. This might be the problem in there. That is nice, so I can submit my question, my solution. Oof. I think everybody can probably find the what is it the question is about. Not me. I mean, the question is about separating with multiple character with two sides, but and multiple their digit sums. But if these parts, one of them or both of them starts with minus character, you have to take the first digit as a minus one, minus representation of it. So for example, minus 41, which returns as a digit totals as a minus 4 plus 1, which is minus 3. Wow, we have so close for 1000 followers and my subscription goal. That's how many hours? I think it's 39 hours for 2 more subscriptions and 16 followers for the 1000 followers. Snowman Factory, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Hello. It is quite fun, it's maybe exciting. Difficulty is perfect and test case ideal, so I can submit it. How often do you stream? I try to stream every night, honestly, in weekdays. but sometimes I have another things to do. But at least 3 nights I can't stream. At weekends I probably stream with daytime and the night also. Or for example after 2 p.m. in Turkish local time, for example, and 8 p.m. at night. And in weekdays I try to stream 3 or 4 days at night. Yeah, I don't have any specific schedule for that, but specifically for this quarantine time, I try to stream every night. Okay, Daife is also solved as 100%. By the way, guys, if you wanna watch these streams later, after finish the streams, I export the video from YouTube, so that's why I suggest you do follow my YouTube channel as well. I mean, if you wanna watch it again, or if you wanna check the specific question again, you can check my YouTube channel as well. I mean, all the videos will be exported from there after probably a few days later. Okay, super duper, it's 8%, algebra 8%. Maybe you check the last one, probably last test case. Subtract denemesi yap, exactly. It's probably the last one. I got tired of this problem, let be 8%, it's not that hard though. Yeah, exactly, I mean. The last one is a little bit tricky. But the last one had to consider the minus and did a split by number digits. I was like, who? I'm the first. Can you check my solution and see if it's okay? You prefer C# even for a shortest mode? Marco, this is not shortest mode. This is the reverse mode. Not so fast, yeah. Okay, algebra. Let's check algebra's code. Called in Python. I have too much of boilerplate, yeah. Yeah, I mean, that seems nice, algebra, I mean. I was thinking that the minuses were about whether if it's positive or negative. I mean, both, I mean, a lot of approaches should be similar for this kind of questions, I think. If you see the pattern, you have to split and you have to do some string manipulation. At first, all minuses are necessary. A few lines of code short of readable. Necessary. And it lasts 2 minutes. As for X, that's nice. Nope, 80%. I think you also checked the last test cases. You probably, since both last cases have a minus character. Probably. The last case could go like list 0, sum, list I. Yeah, this will subtract all the elements, exactly. Okay then, 6 sum flow has a 60% and okay, that's nice. Let's back to home and let's start the private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and paste it to chat. You can still join with that link in the chat. Hello, welcome. Yeah, algebra, I try to stream every day. In theory, but I can't probably stream every day. At least I try to stream every day. I don't have a specific schedule for that, but I usually stream in weekdays 8 p.m. starting with 8-9 p.m. in Turkish local time, which is equal to UTC +3. Next Hunter, thank you, welcome. Yeah, I try to stream every day. Do you use Linux? No, I use Windows 10 probably. And but weekends I try to stream 2 times a day probably, in starting with 2 p.m. to probably 4 or 5 p.m. and starting with 8-9 p.m. and until the midnight. Moms, welcome. Snowman Factory they also sold, also joined. Algebra, if you open the notifications for the after the follow, you can get the oh man, this one's really easy. I know what to do, but don't know how to code it. I mean, that's why you have to know some basic level of the programming, at least some specific language for Clash of Code questions. I mean, you need to do some string manipulations, you have to know some arithmetic operations as well, you have to know some, I don't know, sometimes declaring a variable and some basic types of your language as well. Yeah, everybody has already solved, which is the quite easy question, I think. Something just don't send it. I could have used 1 divided by and floor 2. It's not kind of fun. I mean, it's too easy. Test case ideal. Yeah, I mean, this is the, I think in Python syntax, it's the they are similar with mat floor and double divide character. Okay, that's nice. Everybody can solve in 2 minutes. Let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and paste it to chat. Oh, coming from C++, I had to cast to int. Oh, that's bad. Nox Hunter, thank you. Have a good night. Okay, we are now 7 people. Okay, we are in 7th for this question. All these cases. Oops. Oops, there's a space here. Okay. Back to 17. Okay, o zaman oops. That's nice. Oh, I think it's quite fun, difficulty perfect, and test case relevancy is ideal, so I can submit my code. Algebra solved in 100%. Super duper also solved, mouse solved. Pam, para. Some flow has already sold. Okay, only Asparagus and Snowman left. Why use string constructor? Because string in C sharp actually, yeah, it's in C sharp. String constructor takes one of the constructor takes two parameter, which is the first character and the second one as a count. So it writes that character from that count as a consecutive characters. Loving all the JS solutions. Oh, he's referring to Sunflow. Oh, okay. I thought you are referring to me. Okay, Asparagus is also sold. Let's check mouse solution. Yep, percent and 100 is it. I mean, I sold the same way, but no one said to me your solution is pretty cool. Look at my code and I tried. Yes, this is the same way I solved it. And no one said your solution is cool. I mean, that's so sad. That's so sad. Oh, Snowman solved this 80%. Maybe you can, if you can share your code, we can see what's wrong with it. Oh, shut up, Streamlabs. C# doesn't have swag, yeah. You probably have some problem with rounding, to upper rounding, maybe the nearest integer rounding, probably, since it's passed all the test cases, probably except one. That might be the case, Snowman. All your solutions are good, we don't need. I mean, come on, not all my solutions. I wish my all solutions will be nice, but they are not. I know what I did wrong, just couldn't be bothered to fix it. Oh, okay, that's nice. So that means everyone can solve the everyone did solve the problem. Okay, let's back to home and let's start a private clash and let's start a new one. I just copy the link and from the chat paste it to chat, so you can still join with that one. minus over engineering too much cycles. Were you this good when you started your career? No, I mean, not even close. It takes years to, I mean, to have some easy practicing for some test cases, for some kind of questions. I feel like I'm still very slow and my working memory is so short for some problems. It's all about the practice. I mean, there's no, as I always say, that there's no magic bullet in programming. It's always the main reason. It's always always have the practices. Doing some practices regularly. Okay, we are now 9 people here. I mean, this one is so easy also. It's 12 seconds. Oh, that's the beauty of Python probably. Yeah, Clash of Code isn't the easiest way to learn how to code. You will only learn cool one-liners and many bad habits. Yeah, I agree. But learning some of the, I think learning some of the basics or other resources on the internet, Clash of Code is getting a really important, since you have to practice and you have to see. For example, you have to do a lot of string manipulations. You have to do some mathematical operations. You have to some math operations as well. I mean, you have to sometimes you need to use some map structures like hash set or dictionary. You have to use generics, for example. So for the practices, I mean, Clash of Code is really great when you learn some basics and need to practices. Okay, everyone solved? Oh, there's only Blood. Okay, this one is kind of fun. It's too easy and test case is ideal. Let's wait for him. Yep, exactly. Developers. Maybe we need to some give for our widget, maybe for the subscription widget. Maybe we need to get developers from Steve Ballmer small video. Yeah, when someone subs, Steve Ballmer comes. Yeah, I mean, it will be really cool, by the way. Okay, Bolt has also solved. I mean, that was really easy. Okay, let's start private clash. Let's start. And I just copy the link and from the chat. That's the chat, so you can still from that link. Anu88, thanks for follow. Welcome to stream. We probably couldn't reach for the current stream, since we have how many followers we need right now for the 1000. Let me refresh the page. Yeah, I need 2 more subscribers to reach how many hours I left. It is I can't read it properly, but 48 probably. And for the followers count, it is 15 more. Yeah. So what has helped you the most, in your opinion, to become a more efficient programmer? Yeah, we probably couldn't reach with the current stream for neither subscription nor followers. To become, what had put you the most in your opinion to become a more efficient programmer? I mean, I don't know, practices probably, but solving a lot of different kind of questions maybe. First of all, I have to say I am not an efficient programmer. I don't see myself as an efficient programmer. Once you got the basics down, pure programming, work with some others will help. Exactly. This won't work. That's weird. I tried to solve the bitwise ends with 1, but it didn't work. Something. Somewhat easy, fun, too easy, and test case ideal. I think I solved this one before because Because someone solved with bitwise AND operator with oh, this is the opposite case. Oh no, that's not this one. This is the opposite case. Yeah. That's not this question then. Okay, Cyrus, 50%. What happened? You share your code, we can check it. Oh, but this is not the works for odd numbers less than 0. For odd numbers less than 0, it still writes n+1. I think you shouldn't calculate this one here. I'm surprised so many people are getting stuck on this one. I think you shouldn't write this one. Not needed. Super duper has already solved. I was sorting arrays on this one. Orange ring, exactly. Algebra is already solved, that's nice. Only 3 people left. Someone should take an easy one like this and just put as many steps as time will allow. Okay, some flaws already solved. Okay, Zeponier, Mouse, yep, is solved as well, and Zeponier, only one left. Took me way long to work out. It had nothing to do with the sign of the number. Yeah, exactly. I thought the same thing on the beginning. Okay, Zeponer is also still clashing. Yeah, but of course sign doesn't matter in that case. Okay, Zeponer, are you still clashing, by the way? I mean, maybe you'll... Is there any chance you left? You already left? Before submitting it? I mean, you probably solved this already. Okay, the planner has already solved, like all the people solved already. That's nice. Let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and pass it to chat. No, he's here. He's not AFK. No, you are not. I mean, sometimes when there is an exact or easy to see these people try to solve a lot of complex problems. Sometimes they can't even see the easy ones. I mean, I don't know what is this called, what is this term exactly, but the story, I mean, it happens to me all the time. Sometimes I try to solve a lot of complex problems and there is an easy one between my eyes and I couldn't even see this. Because I always try to train my brain to see the complex solution, but some of them are really easy. It happens to me all the time. Bum, ba, ba, bum. We are now 10 people. That's nice. Meberbero, welcome. Same, I always think out of and find the perfect solution as well. Yeah. Oh my goodness, what is this? Pins, really? You have... Oh, you are doing some, again, some copy-paste things? Okay, then. Oh, okay. I mean, I thought it might be somewhat complex problem, but it wasn't. Yeah, I mean, that's a weird one, I think. It doesn't improve any kind of your programming knowledge. I wonder if it is what intended as somewhat more difficult. Maybe you have to calculate inside of the pipes numbers. Maybe you have to do some mathematical expressions. I don't know. It will be really nice question, by the way. Okay, pins Azarex Cyrus has already solved. Regex if you play with, yeah. Okay, Algebra and Zeponir also. Zeponir 33%, Mouse has also solved. Why 33? Maybe you can share. I just saw it. I will never thought of that, but yeah, exactly. Zeponir, if you share your code, we can check what's wrong with it. I mean, if you want. How this is clash? It is not fun. I think it's kind of boring question. Difficulty it's easy and SK is ideal. Some flaws. No man, 83%. Maybe I don't know. Hey, can you explain the problem and the solution at the end? Couldn't get this one in time. I mean, you have to just count how many numbers between these pipes character in the given string. If you share your code, we can check what's wrong with it. Oh, you didn't join the clash in time. Oh, but I can't go back to clash. Probably. Since I submitted, I can go back. Okay, let's check 83%. Non-value of what? You don't need this. I mean, B++. Mode 1. I mean, I don't know, maybe, but that's not the case. I mean, if you count all of them, all the how many that pipe characters have in the string, and divide, if you divide by 2, and that seems unnecessary to me. Kind of dumb. I'm just counting the amount of numbers that exist. Kind of pointless now, but it's what I did. Okay. Anyway, I am coming. Phantom Ghoul, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. I am giving 1 minute break, by the way. I'm coming back in soon. Okay, I'm back now. I forgot regret exit during the process. Snowman, thank you. Have a good night. Okay, Arzugar and me Berbero still clashing. Sorry about that. No, don't worry, don't worry. 0%, okay. We have only 3 minutes left. Maybe Berbero is also flashing, I think, still. Rahim, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. You don't have to know for regex for that question, Arzugar, by the way. You just need to count how many pipes in the string for all the strings and divide by 2. So you have to get the number between 2 pipes. For example, if there is a 4 pipes total, that means there is 2 number between all of them. There is 6 pipes, for example. If there is a 6 pipes, that means there is only 3 number between grouping by 2 pipes. Yeah, that was the main. That was probably the easiest way to solve this question. Rahim, the question is when someone gave you some string and multiple lines, you have to count how many number in that string between pipe characters. So as a solution, you have to calculate all the counts of pipe character and divide by 2, since a number should be between 2 pipe characters. Okay, for the last 1 minute. I mean, that was nice. A lot of people solved it already. Okay, Flash is completed in a minute probably. And we reached 3 hours stream also again today. This is the second stream for today. Okay, that's nice. Let's pass the all webcam. So, how was the stream, guys, by the way? Can you please write your opinions to chat? Did you like it? Did you enjoy it? Did you learn it or did you teach it? How is the stream so far? I'm chilling, come again, fun as always. That's pretty neat, great stream, thank you. Very good. Chill, that's nice, that's nice, that's like to hear. I like to hear that. Kaitori, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Thank you so much. Alright then, let's type my social accounts again. You can see my Twitter and YouTube accounts as well. If you like, you can subscribe both of them. And if you also support my channel, you can always subscribe my Twitch channel as well. I mean, as you can see, I have some subscription goal on the left of the on the view. If you want to support my channel as well, you can always subscribe it. And let's rate Lanalux, which is the favorite game developer in the chat. And we have 22 viewers. I mean, thank you so much again for all the people joining us tonight. I mean, Pins, Aspharex, Cyrus, Algebra, Mouse, Sunflow, Super Duper, Snowman, Zeponir, Arzugar, Me Barbero, and all the people who joining us tonight. I mean, it means a lot to me, and thank you so much for everything. Let's rate Lanalux. You know, Lana probably in science and technology is a game developer. He developing with Unity as far as I can remember. And thank you so much for all, and have a good night. I will rate Lana, and see you soon.
Anyways. Oh, hey! Double excitement. Melon.